In today's video, I'll show you how to make church flyers on Canva. Whether it's for a service, community gathering, or special event, an eye-catching flyer is the perfect way to spread the word. Let's dive in. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type in church flyer. Canva will instantly display a wide variety of pre-designed templates. Take your time browsing. You'll see designs for Sunday services, holiday events, and community programs. Choose the one that best matches your event's theme. Click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. This is where you can adjust text, images, and layout to make it your own. Update the text with your church event details. Include the event name, date, time, location, and a short welcoming message. Keep it clear and inviting. Swap out the template's default images with ones that better represent your event. You can upload your own photos or pick from Canva's stock photo library. Change colors and fonts to match your church branding or the event's theme. A consistent look helps your flyer feel polished and professional. Add icons, decorative borders, or scripture quotes from Canva's Elements tab to make the design more personal and meaningful. When you're happy with your flyer, click Share in the top right and select Download. Save it as a PDF for printing or a JPG/PNG for sharing online. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful church flyer in Canva. With the right details and design, your flyer can inspire and invite more people to join your event. Thanks for watching and happy designing.